Ewa Agoyin and sauce. As I have told you, the Ewa Agoyin beans, your beans is either honey beans, that's oloyin, what they call oloyin, or oloyin pelebe. There is one they call oloyin pelebe. It's a mixture of brown and white beans in the market. And you can also use your olotu beans also, but we don't use white beans for Ewa Agoyin. It won't come out well and it won't be tasty. So please, when doing that, always use oloyin pelebe, oloyin or olotu for your Ewa Agoyin beans. What we use for the sauce is dry pepper, dry seed pepper. That dry pepper, the seed in it is what we use for our Agoyin beans. The seed, when you buy the seed, if you go to any market, you will see the seed. They will sell the seed for you. You measure the quantity you want and you get your ginger ready. The garlic is optional. It's not compulsory you put garlic because it's not everybody that eats garlic. But that ginger, your dry pepper seed and your onion is very, very necessary and is very compulsory in your Ewa Agoyin sauce. To make the pepper, the seed, you must soak the seed for at least 6 hours. It's even better for you to soak it overnight. When you soak it, you wash out, you sieve it out from the water the next morning. So after sieving, after washing out your Ewa Agoyin pepper, the beans pepper, the dry pepper, you cut your ginger. You can blend with the skin, but you make sure you wash it very well. Or you peel. If you know you will not have the patience to wash it very well, it's better you peel. Peel out the skin and dyes, then wash and join with your dry pepper that you soak and washed out. Then you cut your onions. You cut as much onions as you can inside the pepper and you blend. Potash, you want to add it to the beans to make the beans very soft. Then we add our onions. This is our diced onions. We are going to add it to the Ewa Agoyin sauce requires a lot of onion. We wait for the onions to fry for about 2 minutes. Then we add our pepper. This is the pepper, mixture of dry seed pepper, the seed pepper and our ginger blended together. You can see the seeds inside. So we add to the with onion, yes. Then we add to our sometimes we come back and turn it. Don't add your seasoning yet until the thing is really fried. After frying, before you off the fry, then yes, fry. a little bit darker than this, that is when you will know that your sauce is ready. You must fry the onions to get, yes. If you fry your pepper before your onions, the onions will still be like this. It won't get dry, it won't fry very. And if you see that the oil you put is not enough, you can add more fish. Then you make sure you continue turning. If you add maggi now, it will start burning. So that's okay, I don't add maggi. Maggi or salt, it will start burning. It's just like you are cooking your father's sauce. You are cooking your father, don't add maggi or immediately. Allow the pepper to fry and cook very well. Yes. Our sauce is ready. It's not yet ready, still strong. We are going to leave it so that it will be very soft and look tender. Yes. We are adding little water. Please, can I add a little water to this? Can you see I've not added my salt too? I've not added anything inside the beans. Yes, everything. Let's leave it. This is it. This is the way the Agoyin beans is being served. Then I add the sauce. It requires a lot of oil.